Is acre even real? Today we're looking at 3 pieces of lore about acre to solve a question many Brazilians have genuinely asked at some point. Let's start with number 1. Yes, there are red brick roads in Acre, and they're not just found on one weird street. In many towns, especially outside the capital, Rio Branco, you'll see roads paved with red clay bricks laid in repeating patterns instead of asphalt. This actually comes from local materials and the climate itself. The soil in Acre is rich in red clay. Bricks are cheaper and easier to maintain in heavy rain than asphalt, and when they break, you just replace the brick instead of repaving the whole road. In GeoGuessr, this became a meta because if you see tropical vegetation and Brazilian signage and a red brick road instead of asphalt, Acre will jump way up your guessing list. Lore number 2, Acre almost wasn't Brazil. Now, this part actually explains a lot. Acre used to belong to Bolivia, not Brazil. In the late 1800s, Brazilian rubber tappers moved into the region anyway because rubber was extremely valuable at the time. Tensions escalated, there were uprisings and short-lived attempts at independence, and eventually Brazil negotiated with Bolivia. In 1903, Brazil officially acquired Acre through the Treaty of Petropolis. And so when people joke that Acre feels tacked on or forgotten, it is because historically it kind of was added late. It didn't grow into Brazil the same way most of the other states did. Now, lore number 3. Acre runs on a different time. This one might be easy to miss, but people inside Brazil will notice it immediately. Acre operates in a different time zone than most of the country. It's 2 hours behind Brasilia, and that means national events like live TV and announcements often feel slightly out of sync there. When it is the evening news for most of Brazil, it's still late afternoon in Acre. It might be a small thing, but it reinforces the sense that Acre is just a little out of step with the rest of the country. Not culturally, but temporally. And that difference is part of why Acre feels distant to people who have never been there, even though it is fully and undeniably real. So, thanks for getting real and Acre with me. I'll see you next time with another world subdivision.